Hello everyone and welcome back to Combe Valley Campers. Today we are at the Hop Farm in Kent attending the Grill and Chill Show 2019. So welcome to Grill and Chill 2019. This is a really good show. It's a very family based show, but it really sticks with the actual roots of VW ownership and more of the old school sort of VW vibes. A lot of the more modern shows, they are now more evolved around the more modern T5s and T6s, whereas this one you find a lot more of the old school air-cooled Beetles, bass, splits, and even more so as well actually the T3s. But why do we keep coming back? It's such a good event because it's in the heart of Kent and it's a huge space. You can come and camp, you can come and chill. It's very family orientated as well. There's lots of kids activities, there's loads of space for your kids to go and play on their bikes, and it's just a great vibe. It's called Grill and Chill for a reason. You can just rock up here, set up your barbecue or your fire pit, and then just chill out for the whole weekend. And we've been absolutely blessed this September 2019 with just the weather. It's red hot for mid-September and we absolutely are loving the show so far. It's only the Saturday today, it's the first day of the show, and there's already so much. If we just take a look, we're on the show car field right now. We have got really early patina Beetles, we've got bay window buses, really more of the newer vans, the T6s, and just everything in between really. Over here there's a super rare barn door bus which has been restored. Well, the patina has actually been maintained whilst restoring the bus to a roadworthy state. And then you've got even these absolutely weird and wonderful things. You've got what looks like a golf cart that's been turned into a police car, some sort of amphibious garden vehicle, I don't know. Beach buggies as well. But on the other scope, on the other side of things, there's a huge love for old school and retro BMXs. If we just take a look over here now, pretty much got BMXs through the ages, and that's sponsored by the Grill and Chill show itself and the guys at Cool Flow as well. And every year also, Cool Flow, they hold either a skate competition or skate displays. They've got a half pipe over there, they have skateboarders, BMXers and everything else in between. So one of the things I absolutely love about this show is the fact that you can turn up in any car. I mean, right here we've got a 50s GMC stepside truck that's absolutely slammed on airbags. Then over here we've got a Ford Escort XR3i, and everybody's welcome. Today on the Saturday is just more of a display. Tomorrow is the actual judged show and shine competition, so it's really going to hot up tomorrow with the standard of cars. Everybody's going to be out there polishing their cars today, ready to show here tomorrow morning. But what we're also doing now, because as the show's getting bigger each year, we're getting different advertisers and different traders. So we've actually got the JCB group, which are the VW dealerships for the southeast, and as you can see, it's just a huge variety of cars. I love this show. We've been trading here for 4 years, we've been attending for the last 5, but the last we heard, Grill and Chill started out as a very small show nearly 19-20 years ago, and is now this huge site at the Hop Farm in Kent. And it's acres and acres, thousands and thousands of people here, and people just love to just come and chill for the whole weekend. So please take a look around, tell us what you think down below in the comments. We love it. I keep saying it, it's because I actually mean it. Please, next year, come down, come and see us in 2020 and just enjoy the fun at Grill and Chill. So we've only got 5 minutes with this extremely busy man today. This is Anton. He's one of the organisers of Grill and Chill. Thank you so much for joining us today. Really appreciate it. Also one of the hosts of VW Radio as well. You do a Saturday morning show at 10 AM.
Yep, Face for Radio.
Face for Radio with Anton. Yeah, it's a rad show. In fact, the whole VW Radio thing is awesome. Go and check it out. We'll leave a link in the description. But for right now, dude, thank you so much for being one of the organisers for this rad event. We love it. First question, how long has it actually been going?
This is year 9 for us.
Yep.
2011 we started in a friend's farmer's field.
Yep.
700 people through the door. Yeah, whatever, how many years later, 8 years later, we're between 4,500 and 5,500 depending on what the sky does.
Wow, that is awesome. And well, I know you've had some different weather over the years, but this has got to be one of the best, isn't it?
I can't remember a show that's been better than this for us.
Yeah.
Maybe even this year.
Yeah. No.
September and the weather is just roasting.
Brilliant. And in terms of organising it, it's a club thing, isn't it? But do you get people from the outside the club to help, or is it just the Paintscrapers?
It's purely just the Paintscrapers.
Yeah.
There's 4 of us that run the Grill and Chill logo and the company, but the Paintscrapers as a whole, they work their socks off over the weekend.
Yeah.
So yeah, they're the people to thank for what's happened here.
Brilliant. And it's a very chilled vibe. Obviously, it's the name of the show. But
yep.
Is there anything you've done that really sort of pushes that, or is it just that's what it's turned into?
We always set off to be just calm. You know, just to hang out with your mates. Days gone by, peppercorn show. That's what we base it on.
Yeah.
You know, don't promise lots of stuff and not deliver. Just give someone a bit of grass, a couple of cold beers, hang out with your mates.
Yeah, and one of the things we spoke about in the video earlier was that it's one of the few shows, especially down this way, that actually still keeps the air-cooled vibe. A lot of the other newer shows, it's all about the more modern T5s, T6s, things like that. That, I think, is a bit of a testament to the show. And we're sat here next to a beautiful twin-door splitty at the moment. Again, is that something you emphasise, or it's just how Grill and Chill has become?
A lot of it is because the club is predominantly air-cooled.
Yep.
So we try to keep that vintage vibe going. For most people to come here, it's an end of season closer.
Yep.
So they want to bring their cars out for one last time.
Yep.
Yeah, there are people that turn up in the T5s, T6s, motorhomes, but people just want to show off one last time.
Brilliant.
Both air-cooled motors and old Yanks, that sort of classic.
Yeah, that's again one of the things we noticed a lot is the mix, and it's almost anybody's allowed here, which I think a lot of people really appreciate. Although it's predominantly a VW event.
Yeah, we own Volkswagens. People that run it are all Volkswagen nutheads.
Yeah.
But come the end of the year, you've been to so many shows, you've seen all the motors that are out there, and the same goes for, say, custom cars, muscle cars. They've seen all the stuff on their scene. Come down here and mix it up.
Yeah, no, it's brilliant. And same again next year, or are we going to go bigger and better, or what's the score?
We say we're a small show. According to the Purple Guide, we're a small show.
Right.
We want to keep it small.
Yeah.
Don't lose that vibe feeling. You get big, it just won't be the same.
Yeah, you say that. There's thousands of people here, and the square footage you're taking up.
Yes, about 55 acres we use here.
Holy, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, we are struggling for space. Next year, we might run out of room, but we'll see what happens.
Well,
what's this space?
Thank you so much for joining us today.
It's been a pleasure.
And thank you to you and the rest of the guys for organising such a massive show. And thank you everybody for joining us. Again, we'll leave links down to Grill and Chill down in the description. And so please just take the rest of the video to just take a look around, see the traders, see the cars, and see the people that absolutely love Grill and Chill at the Hop Farm in Kent.